Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be talking about training your chatbot. Before we get started, make sure you've already created a dataset and attached it to your chatbot. You won't be able to train answers unless a dataset is set up first. To get started, you're going to go to the left side menu here and then click on Analytics. Once you're on this page, you'll click on Consider Training at the top of the page. This section is going to show you conversations your chatbot couldn't answer or responses that received a thumbs down from users. To start, let's look at the type column. This tells you where the chatbot got the answer it's providing to the user from. If it says crawl, it means it found that answer by crawling through your website to find it. If it says dataset, it means this is an answer that you've trained it to say. And if it says unknown, it means the chatbot couldn't find an answer and it gave them the fallback message. Now, just because someone has left a thumbs down on an answer doesn't mean it's incorrect, it just means they were unhappy with it. So to see what the chatbot said and why it needs review, you can click the three dots next to the training item and choose Preview. This is going to open the full chat transcript. From there, you have three options. You can train the chatbot to provide an answer that's better than the one it already gave. You can dismiss it, so it removes it from the Consider Training section, but it will still count towards your stats. Or you could delete it entirely, and it won't live on the platform anymore. I'll go ahead and dismiss this one for now. Now, if you decide to train something using this green Train button, you'll see two choices: New Dataset Entry and Variant of Existing. New Dataset Entry is going to be used if you wanted to write a brand new answer out from scratch. For Variant of Existing, this should be used if you've already trained the answer to this question, it lives in your data set, and you just want to find that previously written answer and connect it. When adding a new dataset entry, start by selecting the dataset that you want the answer to live in. Typically, this is just going to be one dataset, but if you decided to have a dataset for multiple categories of your website, that is something that you would need to choose from. Once you've selected your dataset, you'll see the original user question and a field for variants, where you can add other ways someone might ask the same thing. Think of it this way. If someone says, "Where is McDonald's?" you'd want to add, "Where is Mickey D's?" as a variant. Once you're done adding your variants, you'll move on down below to where you're going to write out the answer or provide them with a URL to redirect them. URL destination is going to be just them saying how to pay my bill. All they'll see is a link that they can click on and it'll open up in a new tab. For text answer, this is going to be you actually writing something out. So you could say something like this: you could pay your bill here. And if you highlight this text, you'll see that you have formatting options. So if you wanted a hyperlink back to another website within the answer, that is something that you could do. Now, after text answer and URL destination, you'll see that there's going to be an advanced button here. And this is going to allow you to add buttons that will redirect people to another web page. So they'll get this answer, they'll see a button below that they can click on, and it'll open up in a new tab. Outside of buttons, you also have the option to embed any link here. You can embed a form to capture user information, embed a YouTube video to provide information, or embed a social media post. It's really going to be up to you. But once everything looks good, you're going to click this Add button right here to save it. You'll see that it's going to remove it from the Consider Training section. And now if we go here to the Knowledge and Dataset, you'll see that it's going to be trained right here. Now that's going to be it. You've just trained your chatbot to be smarter and more helpful the next time this question comes up. Keep reviewing and training over time to make sure your chatbot keeps improving. And if you need help, reach out to us at team@frase.io. Thanks.